Hey folks, Christian Miller here, and today I'm doing a walkthrough of a 2026 Bentley Navigator 223 Quad Swingback. There's a lot going on in this boat. Let's start up at the front and kind of show you some of these features. Similar to the other brand that we carry, the Bentley has dual cup holders that are recessed with that USB port in it, as well as 2 speakers on each side. And something to note on the speakers, all 4 speakers in this boat have a small lighting above them for your interior lighting, which provides a nice soft glow in the evening. If you are out with a crew, you need some lighting for towels or other things. It's just a great feature in this Bentley. Full bow seating up here, 2 loungers, dual recessed cup holders on both sides. It's a great hangout area to spend time with your friends as you're cruising the lake. As you move back here to the mid storage, you'll notice your co-captain's chair, dual cup holders, and you also have the USB there. With another really cool feature is this table. A fold-out table, 2 more cup holders. I tell you what, if you're getting dehydrated on this boat, it's not our problem. You're loaded with cup holders on this one. Here at the captain's helm, you have the captain's chair. You have a Humminbird Helix 5 along with a JBL sound head, providing premium sound in this boat for a true summertime fun experience in the sun. We all know music's a big part of it. Beach towels, music, lots of refreshments. It's just part of the experience, something you'd come to expect from a Bentley. Let's move back a little bit further and get into the Quad Swingback. Tons of configuration in this boat. There's actually 2 tables with this boat. One we have stowed away. The other one we have sitting out here so that you can see kind of what this experience would look like. You can have people seated around both sides of the table. You could actually have both tables in place here. A really cool feature about this boat is that there's 4 table bases. You can have a table in between your swingback seats, or you can have them along the middle of the boat, one in the aft, one up in the bow. Let's go into the seating configuration a little bit, and I'll show you kind of how this can configure. You could have people lounging towards the front, both sides. It's a quad swingback, super versatile. You could also put this forward. You can have people lounging towards the back, both sides. The table can stay in here and you can have both of these in the lounge position. Or here's another great feature. Let's say you get to the sandbar spot and now it's really time to lounge, get some fun in the sun in. You lay these down and now you have a full layout bed here. The Quad Swingback is just super versatile. It can entertain lots of friends. It can also work great in the sun, lay it down, do the full lounging experience. And as you come back here, you'll notice there's a ton of room as people are hanging out, getting some rays in. You will also have this swim deck and you'll be able to come back and forth here with dual gates. Just designed to give you a lot of room back here on the swim deck. Powered with a Mercury 200. This is a V6 motor, quiet, fuel efficient, giving you lots of performance on this Bentley Quad Swingback. You also have the boarding ladder here if you're parked on the sandbar. It's just a great all-around boat. Entertain friends, family, seating for everybody. Super, super versatile. Folks, I'm Christian Miller at Walker Marine. Make sure you check our YouTube page for more videos on the Bentleys as we'll continue to do videos showing you the various layouts we have available at our dealership. We'll see you on the next Bentley video.